This video will support filming LEGO Serious Play robots in movement, static and handheld, on a mobile phone or tablet, including how to capture putting together a kit. Ensure that your tablet or mobile device is on a tripod so that the camera is stable and in focus. Consider where your subject will be placed to film. Is it in an environment that is suitable? As later we will be filming moving shots of the LEGO robot in order to create a more dynamic shot to increase the engagement of your audience. At this point, consider if there are any distractions in the background or surrounding area, as this could take the attention away from your subject/model. Light is important to consider. Is it too bright or too dark? Are there any reflections that distract the audience? Use natural lighting where possible. Focus. Tap on the screen on your mobile device to trigger the autofocus recognition. Light can also have an impact on the autofocus of the camera. Therefore, adjust the light to the desired level and prepare to press record. In order to create an engaging and stable video with your mobile device, it is suggested that 2 pairs of hands are better than 1 for this video. Whilst one person will be putting together the LEGO robot kit, the other will be operating the camera on the mobile device. To give a clear viewpoint of the LEGO pieces you are using, you will need to clip your mobile into the tripod and use an overhead shot, otherwise known as an elevated shot. This will allow the viewer to gain better knowledge of building it, as it will show everything that will be in their eye line. Filming a LEGO robot kit that is stationary and does not have any movement will require the following shots in order to consider the scale of the object and distance. When filming on your mobile device, use these shots preferably in order to give the better context for your viewer. The full shot. This composite will show the entire structure and give the audience a full frame shot of the kit, so that they can understand what it is that is being used and the size. As in the full shot, there will be occasionally other objects in the view, as the structure will fit entirely in the shot. Medium shot. This will show just the LEGO structure and a small amount of the environment it is in. So, for example, some of the desk perhaps. It will be closer than a full shot and give more detail, so that it can gain a clearer insight of what is being used. Close-up. This shot will provide an in-depth look at exactly what is being used and feature more areas of the LEGO structure to give a better insight on the mechanics of it. Hold the tripod to give a steady, closer look, and it can also add in small amounts of movement to your shot. Extreme close-up. The close-up camera shots fill your frame with a part of your subject. Remember to pay attention to the focus of your camera. At this point, touch the screen of the device to readjust the focus point. This shot is key to highlight important areas of the robot and LEGO structure. Filming a LEGO robot kit with movement of the camera will require the following shots. This series can be used in any order to create more dynamic tutorial videos. Static shot. When there is no movement of the camera itself, it is called a static shot. This composite will emphasize the appearance and movement of your LEGO structure. and how it moves on its own accord or with support. Keep your mobile device placed in the tripod and on a stable surface. Zoom lens shot. Zoom shots are camera shots that change the focal length of the lens during filming. This action can either be zoomed in or out. Keep your mobile device in the tripod for better stability. Keep it placed on a flat surface. Next, by gently touching the screen with your fingers, slowly zoom in on the subject. You will be able to slow this down in post-production. Camera pan shot. Camera pans move the camera side to side on a horizontal axis. This can reveal something to your viewer or allow them to follow an action, for example, showing the movement of your Lego structure. Camera tilt shot. A camera tilt is when you move your camera up and down on a vertical axis. This is similar to a pan shot, but only vertical. Tracking shot. In order to give the Lego structure a dynamic and exciting shot, when it is moving you will need to hold the tripod with the device securely placed and follow beside or behind it as it is moving. This can be made more smooth by holding the tripod with both hands and slowly following the Lego structure. Often handheld shots are moved by a camera operator. They are not stabilized and often shaky, but this can make it feel more dynamic.